Well, what does commodities guru Jim Rogers have to say about the rally that's been playing out in the commodities universe, the kind of move that we've seen in prices, the fact that we've seen gold come down, Bitcoin surging quite smartly, there's been a pause in interest rates. So let's find out how Jim Rogers is really taking stock of that. We spoke to him today on ET Now, and he is of the view that as of now, he believes that asset classes will go up for some time, perhaps all of next year. In fact, money printing, he believes, will support the markets for a short while, but now he says is a terrible time to be young because the only cheap assets that he sees right now are commodities. In fact, he actually talks about the Bitcoin. Remember, we've seen a huge move there, saying that the Bitcoin as of now looks like a bubble. Many cryptocurrencies have seen that meteoric rise, says Jim Rogers, and then they've gone down to zero. And he actually says, I never bought any cryptocurrency, although I wish I had. So he has acknowledged that being a regret. He's still long on the US dollar and believes that currently we're in the midst of a regular correction when it comes to the US dollar. What about the other asset classes like gold and silver? Well, Jim Rogers says that he does own gold, he does own the dollar, and he does own silver. And at the current levels, he continues to maintain this call actually every time we speak to him that he will continue to buy silver even today. Speaking more about the US dollar, Jim Rogers says that he expects that there will be problems this year and next year, and that is definitely going to make the US dollar a little more attractive. The US dollar is not sound, though, is what he says, given that the USA is the largest debtor nation in the world, and people do perceive the US dollar as a safe haven asset class. In terms of market valuations, well, he has acknowledged that he sees some bubbles developing in the stock market valuations, and that people who don't know a lot about trading are now trading in the markets. And when everyone starts talking about stocks, Jim Rogers says you should be a bit worried. In fact, he says worry from the end of 2021 to 2022. He believes that one can continue to look at sectors like energy because it's been beaten down so much. He owns Chinese shares, he's bought a lot of them, and they will be buying a lot more, and believes that China does not need to calm down the credit situation, and he expects that economic growth in China will continue to do better. In fact, he says that Chinese stock markets are still down 30-40% from all-time highs. Agriculture, he says, that's been bad for a lot of time now, and he's largely buying the agricultural index as he believes the agricultural rally is likely to continue. Tech, that's not for him. He believes it's very expensive right now. He sees a lot more money printing and spending in the US, and he's looking at stocks that are largely beaten down. And he believes that the excessive money printing, the borrowing, the spending, all of that cannot bode well for the next generation. And Jim Rogers finally says that silver, energy, agriculture are the three asset classes that he will invest in for the next decade. And he says invest only in things that you know a lot about.